Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardo and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you around the installation that we've carried out on a brand new 2020 BMW X7. What we've installed today is a detachable swan neck tow bar with a dedicated wiring loom as well as a security system as well. So in today's video, we're going to be focusing mostly on the tow bar itself, and we've done actually a full video on the BMW X7 ghost immobilizer system. So we've done that on this car as well. There's a full video on that as well, live on our channel already. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. In today's install video, basically I'm going to be walking you around how we've carried out the install, as well as the facts about how you guys can get booked in with us. So we're based in Cambridge. All of our work gets carried out in Cambridge. If you're interested in getting one of these systems installed, make sure you drop us a line. All the links will be below. Or come by, we'll sit down with you and go through everything in a bit more detail. In terms of how the system works, basically vehicle comes in, we take off and remove the bumper, and then the bar actually gets mounted to the exact chassis points that the crash beam, factory crash beam, is mounted to. So that crash beam gets removed, new bar goes on. There's a very, very small incision in the bumper cut, not really visible at all. And then also you've got a retractable 13-pin dedicated wiring loom in the vehicle as well. The advantage of going down the route of a dedicated wiring loom on any new vehicle is because these cars are packed with safety features. A dedicated wiring loom goes into given points from manufacturer rather than taking feeds from the lights. So they're going to given manufacturer points. On BMWs, they don't need coding. However, majority of cars do. And what it does, it basically tells the car that it's got a tow bar installed. So it means when you're towing, your ABS adjusts, your fuel system adjusts, load of safety features adjust from your driving experience. It makes not only towing easier, but also ensures the safety for you and your passengers, as well as other road users as well. So it's essential that you have these dedicated wiring looms installed on vehicles nowadays. So detachable bar is really easy to use. You basically push in and twist, and basically the neck falls out, and then as soon as you want to put it back up, it's spring loaded and hit straight back up. So again, really simple, easy to use solution to allow for this car to tow and enjoy your time on the road when you're traveling around the UK. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. You've seen what's possible here in Cambridge to have your BMW X7 tow bar installed professionally, as well as with very, very decent equipment. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, really like this video, hit that like button, but the best thing you guys can do, hit that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all our latest videos. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.